Okay, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the solar pendant light that I got off Amazon this week. I think about $35. Comes with a solar panel, the light, and the remote control. So we'll do an unboxing of that. Let's see. Model number is YL008-1F. Cord length is 16 feet from the light to the solar panel. Pulls 1.6 watts, equivalent of, let's see what's in the box. That's your light. Solar panel. The light is about as big as my hand. Small LED bulb in there. Plenty of cable. 16 foot of cable. It comes with solar panel bracket where you can attach it to a wall or wherever you want the solar panel mounted. 2 wire ties. I suppose this could be wire tied to a post somewhere if you need to be. Remote controller. Batteries for the remote and a screw for this piece, solar panel. So remote, you got on and off button, brightness level, 2 hour on, 6 hour on, and you can add an hour from the 6 hour. So you can match it to stay on for 6 hours plus 1. And the color is 3 different colors. I think, let's see what colors they are. Colors is going to be cool white, neutral white, and warm white on the light colors. And the brightness, you can go from 50% to 75% to 100% on the brightness. And that's what I was talking about, how you can mount it, different ways to mount it. Manual. Lights. Open these batteries up. I haven't charged it yet, so it might not work coming straight out the box. I'm gonna have to check it out together there. Oh yeah. Seems okay. And on the back, from looking at the other review videos, you can do power on. And there's an all day or all night button in itself right there. So, let's see if you can see this in the light. I'll pull it over here. And put the power on. Here's the remote. First time doing this, so let's see if that'll work. There we are. So here's the remote. You got the mess with these. This button right here and this button right here. Once the solar panel, of course, darkness comes, I'll lay it down so no light's hitting it. It thinks it's dark time, nighttime rather. So you can do remote control and cut it on You can cut it off. On. Power level. Let's see. Brightness. Dim. That's 100%. So you can't see it good in the daylight, but 100%, 75%, 50%. So, like I said, you can set it to stay on for 2 hours once it gets dark, 6 hours, and you can add hours, 7 hour total once it's completely charged up. So that's it. Let's see, cut it off here with the remote. Alright, well, thanks for watching.